Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 6 Classic, stock reference number 5716. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has one small dent, classic radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has 2 small dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 4 small dents, left side skirt, rear spoiler, right boot lid garnish, right tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has 5 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.